Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by focusing on the essentials: variables, control flow, and functions, the backbone of any program. Once you can describe behavior in plain sentences, convert that into 6-10 lines of pseudocode so you see the flow. Make sure to choose a single language you already know and create the smallest runnable file. This gets you immediate feedback. As you do this, think about inputs, expected outputs, and one simple test case so you can iterate quickly and build confidence. Now translate your pseudocode into functions and small modules. This helps you isolate responsibilities. Once done, write tiny tests or print assertions that verify each function independently because immediate checks reduce debugging time. Make sure to trace data flow by annotating variables and types, which clarifies how values change. As you implement, refactor repetitious parts into helper functions. This reduces cognitive load. Finally, run through a full example input. To confirm, finish by running an end-to-end test that includes both typical and edge case inputs, so you validate overall behavior. If something fails, use logging or a debugger to inspect the exact step where values deviate. This shows you why the logic broke. When stuck, isolate the failing function, reproduce the issue with the smallest input, and simplify the scenario until the cause is obvious. A key troubleshooting tip: if tests behave inconsistently, add deterministic inputs or seed randomness to make failures reproducible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.